Well, this should look kind of bright from here, and this is from an angle. And it's daylight, so that's kind of nice. I think these might do. So I just have these temporarily wired right now, because wiring, that's a whole nother job. Yeah. These aren't getting hot. The HIDs, you can really feel the heat coming off them. LEDs, not so much. A little warm, but HIDs, about 75 watt HIDs on the Bronco, you can really feel the heat. It's like, holy cow. It's like microwave. Oh, here's something I don't like about this. Oh man. Need to get it tighter than that, or I got another solution. Similar issue I had on the Bronco. I just put a screw in. Probably do the same thing here. This could be a little tighter to fit this bracket, okay? Then you won't have that issue. No good for off-roading. You want things tight, right? Now I know someone out there is going to complain about the background music, but you know what? I'm out here just trying to have a nice Sunday afternoon. I'm not here trying to make a quality video. This is the real deal. I don't have a studio or nothing like that. It's Sunday. I'm doing my chores. Wash the truck, I'm doing laundry. I just want to get this day over with because tomorrow is a work day. Alright, so I recommend this if you buy this bar for your Colorado, is to put a screw in here. This will set it solid. You got to drill it first and then put the screw in, and then if you got some Loctite or something, or anything crazy glue, make it hard to come out. You should not have to take that out, because without that, it's very easy to steal this light bar. Had the same issue on my Bronco, and that's why I have a similar screw in there. I mean, these here have special screws on them. You gotta have a tool to take them off. But the bracket here is only like sheet metal, you know, so what's it gonna take to bend this? Whoop, pop the light off. Put a screw in there. Maybe if you got a grinder or something, grind that, or even, you know, you might want to put some like epoxy